Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra has officially landed, and it's making waves in the smartphone world. Launched on February 27, 2025, this powerhouse is packed with cutting-edge specs, a jaw-dropping camera, and top-tier performance. Here's everything you need to know. Curious? Please watch until the end. .73-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. 3,200 nits. Peak brightness, even sunlight won't stop you. Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the fastest processor yet. 12 GB or 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage. Multitask like a pro. Android 15 plus HyperOS 2, a next-level software experience. Co-engineered with Leica, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra takes mobile photography to new heights. 50-megapixel main sensor for crisp, high-detail shots. 200-megapixel periscope lens with 4.3x optical zoom. Get closer without losing quality. Versatile focal lengths, 14mm to 100mm. From ultra-wide to telephoto, it's got it all. With 6,000 mAh battery, all-day power, no sweat. 90 watts wired and 80 watts wireless charging, from 0 to 100% in minutes. IP68 rating, water and dust resistance for added peace of mind. Premium build with sleek aesthetics, it looks as good as it performs. Global release, Europe and UK, March 2nd, 2025. Pricing, £1,299 or €1,499. No official US release planned, but imports might be an option. Is this the best flagship of 2025? With insane performance, a next-gen camera, and lightning-fast charging, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is taking on Samsung and Apple head-on. Would you buy this beast? Let's discuss on comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.